Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, you know we have already completed EVS chapter number 3. So, which was our organ system. So, today we will start its new words, means writing part. You have to write in your EVS notebook. So, whatever I am giving to you, you write it in your EVS notebook. Okay, so as the routine, first we have to write new words. So these new words you should write in your EVS notebook twice. Okay, once you write here how I have written, and here I have left place. Here you have to write again this word, means draw a line at the center and then each word you write twice. So let's see what are the words. First word is machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Second word is amazing, A-M-A-Z-I-N-G, amazing. Third is chords, C-H-O-R-D-S, chords. And fourth is skeletal, S-K-E-L-E-T-A-L, skeletal. And fifth one is esophagus, E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S, esophagus. Sixth is intestine, I-N-T-E-S-T-I-N-E, intestine. Seventh word is spinal, S-P-I-N-A-L, spinal. Eighth is oxygen, O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Ninth is tissues, T-I-S-S-U-E-S, tissues. Tenth word is V-E-I-N-S, veins. Okay, children. So these are the 10 words, and these 10 new words you have to write in your first page of this chapter number 3. After this, on the white page, or if you have copy on which lines are there, you have to draw this diagram of digestive system. It is given in your book. You see and try to draw this diagram on the second page. Okay, and draw the diagram and label all these parts. Just like here, mouth is here, and you draw a line to touch that part and then you write its name. Second is esophagus, which is food pipe. Here also you have to draw a line to touch the esophagus and then you write the name. In the same way, next part is stomach, then small intestine, then in your book it is written large intestine, this part, and after this last part of large intestine it is ileum. So this one, and this last part of our digestive system is anus. Okay, so all these parts you have to draw and label. Then after this, let's start the answer the following questions. Means these questions are given in the book and I have written question as well as answers here. Children, whenever you write the questions, you should use black pen. I have already told you that black pen you use for writing questions, and answer you have to write with the blue. So first we should write heading, answer the following questions, and after that question number 1, define an organ system. So what is an organ system? It is definition of organ system. So answer is, in our body, organs join together and work to perform particular function. So this is the definition of an organ system. Means in our body, what is an organ system? In our body, many organs join together and they work to perform particular function, just like this system. Organ system, it is also an organ system. This is digestive system, and in this many organs, just now I have told you that mouth is also one organ of this system. Then esophagus is second organ of this system, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. All these are the different organs which join together to perform which particular function? Here, digestion of food. Okay, so that's why this is the function of this system. So this is called an organ system. In the same way, we have studied so many organ systems in this chapter, and for example, you have to write here cells. When so many cells of same type, they join together or work together, then we call it as a tissues. Okay, and group of tissues form organs, and organs when joined together to perform some function, then it is called an organ system. So in this way, organ system is formed. Yes, children. So second question is, which are the organ systems that work in our body? Explain any two out of them. So I have explained you, children, what is an organ system. So here in this answer you have to write the name of all the organ systems which we have studied in chapter number 3. Okay, and in the second part of question they asking about any organ system which you have to explain. So 2 organ system we explain in detail, and rest all we write only names. So first are in answer, first we write the organ system that works in our body are, first is skeletal system, second is muscular system, third is excretory system, fourth is circulatory system, and fifth is respiratory system. Children, I have written here A, B, C, D, E. In place of this, if you want to write, you can put numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way. So after this, next is nervous system, and last one is reproductive system. So all these we have studied in detail in this chapter, and only 2 we have to write here. About them you should write in short. So first heading I have written skeletal system. So about skeletal system you write one sentence. Skeletal system gives shape to our body and protect inner part. You know, children, this skeletal system is made up of bones, and bones provide shape to our body, and they also protect our inner organs, inner part of our body. They give protection to them. And just like our lungs, heart, and even our brain, these all are the delicate organs, and they are protected inside these bony parts. And second system is excretory system. Excretory system helps to remove waste materials from the body. So these two systems we have written in short under this answer. So after this, answer number 3 is, what happens to the food and air that our body takes in? Means when we take food or when we breathe air, then what happened to that food, or what happened to that air what we breathe inside? How we use, or how our body use these both the things. So that you have to write in this answer. Answer number 3 is, the food we eat breaks into simple form of energy. Means whatever food we take, that food provide energy to our body. Means food broken down into smaller pieces, and from that smaller pieces energy will be provided to our body. And what happened to air? Air goes to lungs, and lungs filter air and absorb oxygen. Means in air, you know children, so many gases are present in air, but from those all the gases, our body only accept oxygen. Okay, so oxygen is filtered out through the lungs and goes to our blood, and from the blood it distributes to all parts of the body, and this remaining air again comes out from our lungs and thrown back through our nose or mouth. So this is the answer number 3. Now next question is question number 4. How is brain an important part in our body? So what is the importance of brain that we have to write in this answer? Answer is, brain is an important part. It thinks, feels, responds according to situation. Children, brain is the almost controller of our body, and this brain help us to think, help us to feel anything, or respond also according to situation. Means whatever situation is there, if we see anything, then if we hear anything, or if we taste anything, you know, you have studied about the sense organs, and through the sense organs we feel, or we get different type of senses, and according to that our brain respond. So this is the function of brain. And fifth question is, what is the difference between arteries and veins? Children, in this chapter we have studied about the circulatory system. In this system I have explained you 2 types of blood vessels, which are One is red in color, which is mentioned in your this chapter in circulatory system, and second one is blue in color. Arteries always marked with the red color, and veins always they given with the blue. So what are the differences between these two type of vessels, blood vessels? First, in this answer you have to draw a line at the center and make two equal columns, and in the first column write heading arteries, and in the second column write heading veins. So in arteries column you have to write arteries carry pure blood from heart to all parts of the body. Means arteries always carry which kind of blood? Pure blood. Okay, pure blood means in which oxygen is more. Okay, there is a more amount of oxygen, that's why it is a pure blood. So arteries always carry pure blood and it distribute blood from the heart to all other parts of the body. But veins carry impure blood, and impure blood means in which carbon dioxide is more as compared to oxygen. So it always collect blood from all the parts of the body towards the heart. Okay, so veins carry impure blood from all the parts of the body to heart. So this is the main difference between these two, arteries and veins. So next is, what is the difference between tendons and ligaments? You know children, I have taught you about these two types of tissues which are present along with our bones, and these are the different type of ligaments and tendons, and these are the tissues which help to join the either bone to our muscles or bone to bone. Okay, so difference we have to write. Now in this answer also you have to draw a line at the center and make two columns. First column you write tendons and second column you write ligaments. So in case of first column, in case of tendons, you have to write it joins muscles to body. Means tendons help to join muscles to our body. Okay, so ligaments, it joins muscles to muscles. Means ligaments help to join the muscles to the muscles or bone to bone also. Okay, so children, this is the difference between tendons and ligaments. So after these question answers, next you have to write match the column. This match the columns, it is not given in your book, that's why I have framed for you from the book, because many of the time in question paper we are asking about these kind of exercises. So in this match the column, always we draw a line at the center and make two columns. In first column I have written 5 these words. First is cells, total bones, food pipe, number of muscles and special instrument. And in the second column I have written 600 tiny unit, microscope, 206, and esophagus. So you have to match all these. How to match? Cells. Cells number is first one. So what to match with the cells? That we have to write number 1. Cells are the tiny units, very small parts of our body are called cells. So here we write number 1. Second, total bones. How many bones are there in our body? Total bones are 206. So here you have to write number 2. Children, remember, don't draw lines to match the columns. Okay, match the words. Because when we draw lines, this is a very wrong method. This to draw a line and for matching are done by the small kids like nursery or playgroup children, because they don't know how to read the words. That's why they used to draw lines only. But you have to write numbers in front of these words, this side, second column. Okay, so third one is food pipe. So food pipe is also called esophagus. So third number we have to write here. Next are the number of muscles. Children, in your book it is given that total number of muscles in our body are 600. So here we write 4 number. Okay, and fifth is special instrument. Special instrument, what we studied in this chapter? Microscope. Microscope is a instrument, special instrument, which is used to see the tiny units which are called cells. Okay, so special instrument is microscope, and here you have to write number 5. So these are the match the columns. So children, this is all about your this chapter question answer and exercises. And after this, in the next class, I'll tell you that how to fill exercise in your book. I'll explain you the exercise of the book of this chapter also. Okay, so by the time you write all these notes in your EVS notebook, so Jai Gurudev.